Have you ever stopped to truly consider the ground beneath your feet? The very soil we walk on, the foundation of our existence. Imagine, if you will, a universe devoid of Earth, a vast empty expanse where our world never came to be. Where would we be then? What would become of the potential for life, for consciousness, for everything we hold dear? Our planet, this vibrant blue marble suspended in the inky blackness of space, is nothing short of a cosmic miracle. It's a rare and precious winner, a true anomaly in a grand, almost incomprehensible game of astronomical odds. The chances of a planet like Earth existing are staggeringly small. Earth isn't just a lifeless rock hurtling through space. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving living spaceship, a self-sustaining vessel carrying us through the cosmos. It's the only known place in the vast universe where stardust, the very essence of exploded stars, has somehow, miraculously, learned to think, to feel, and to contemplate its own existence. Our existence, our very survival, depends on a delicate and intricate chain of just right conditions, a confluence of factors that had to align perfectly. We needed the right kind of sun, a stable star providing consistent energy, the right distance from that sun, not too hot, not too cold, but just right to allow for liquid water, a stabilizing moon, a celestial companion that moderates our planet's wobble and influences our tides, and a protective magnetic field, a shield deflecting harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. Most planets are relentlessly hostile environments, scorched by unbearable heat, frozen solid in perpetual ice ages, or shrouded in toxic atmospheres. Earth, in stark contrast, is a vibrant oasis, a haven of life amidst a cosmic desert, teeming with an astonishing diversity of life, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. So, let's embark on a journey to explore the extraordinary sequence of events, the cosmic coincidences that conspired to make our world and our existence possible. This is the incredible story of how lifeless atoms forged in the hearts of dying stars ultimately came together to form us. A story that should fill us with both profound wonder and a deep sense of responsibility. We are, in essence, the caretakers, the stewards of this incredibly rare and precious cosmic jewel, and understanding the remarkable story of our origins is not just an intellectual exercise, but the very first and most crucial step towards protecting our planet and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Earth, our home, is often called the ultimate Goldilocks world. It's a planet that seems tailor-made for life, possessing a unique combination of factors that allow organisms to thrive. It's a delicate balance, a cosmic coincidence, that has resulted in the vibrant biosphere we see all around us. Earth is perfectly placed in the sun's habitable zone, sometimes referred to as the Goldilocks zone. This is the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Not too hot and not too cold, but just right. Too close to the sun, like Venus, and any water boils away into the atmosphere, creating a runaway greenhouse effect in a scorching, uninhabitable environment. The intense heat and pressure make it impossible for life as we know it to exist. Too far from the sun, like Mars, and water freezes solid, locking it away as ice and preventing the chemical reactions necessary for life to occur. The cold temperatures and thin atmosphere make it a harsh and unforgiving world. Our nearly circular orbit keeps temperatures remarkably stable throughout the year. This consistent climate is crucial for the development and survival of complex life forms. This stable orbit is vital in avoiding deadly extremes of temperature that would otherwise render the planet uninhabitable. It's a delicate dance between distance and orbital path. This perfect balance allows liquid water to exist in abundance on our planet's surface, the essential ingredient for all known forms of life. It acts as a solvent, facilitating the chemical reactions that underpin biological processes. Venus, in stark contrast, is a toxic inferno, a cautionary tale of what happens when a planet gets too hot. Mars, on the other hand, is a frozen desert, a reminder of the consequences of being too far from the sun's warmth. Only Earth, it seems, has managed to find that sweet spot, that perfect equilibrium that allows life to flourish. Water is not just important, it's the solvent of life, the medium in which all biological reactions take place. And our planet's flowing rivers, vast oceans, and shimmering lakes are a testament to its abundance. These bodies of water are a direct result of this cosmic luck, this fortunate placement within the habitable zone. The Goldilocks zone, therefore, is not just a region in space, it's the first and most fundamental requirement for life as we currently understand it. Without it, The complex chemistry necessary for the formation of organic molecules and ultimately life itself would simply be impossible. Our place in the vast cosmos is more than just a location. It's a winning ticket in the celestial lottery, a stroke of incredible luck. We are incredibly privileged to live in the habitable zone, a region of space that allows for the existence of liquid water and potentially life. And we are even more fortunate to orbit a stable, long-lived star, providing a consistent source of energy for billions of years. Earth's magic isn't just its location, it's what's happening deep inside. At our core, a churning sea of molten iron generates a magnetic field, shielding us from deadly cosmic radiation. This internal heat also drives plate tectonics, recycling elements and regulating our climate through the carbon cycle. Unlike geologically dead Mars, Earth's restless interior keeps our atmosphere intact and our climate stable. Mountains, valleys and continents are shaped by this dynamic engine. Plate tectonics create new environments, driving biodiversity and evolution. The solid ground beneath us is alive, powered by a fiery heart. Our molten core is the engine of life's support system. Earth is a dynamic, interconnected system alive from surface to core. Above us floats Earth's miracle, the atmosphere, a thin, life-giving blanket. Its mix of nitrogen and oxygen is no accident. Ancient bacteria transformed our air, making complex life possible. The atmosphere traps just enough heat for life, distributes warmth and prevents extreme temperature swings. High above, the ozone layer shields us from deadly ultraviolet radiation, enabling life to thrive on land. Our atmosphere also protects us from meteoroids, burning up most space debris before it reaches the ground. Without this protective shield, Earth would be frozen, sterile, and exposed. The air we breathe is a product of life and a guardian of life. It's a dynamic system, making our planet uniquely hospitable. Every breath is a reminder of our planet's rare fortune. Our atmosphere is one of Earth's most precious features. Water defines our planet: oceans, clouds, rivers, and rain. This simple molecule is life's universal solvent, transporting nutrients and enabling biology's chemistry. Earth's Goldilocks temperatures allow water to exist as solid, liquid, and gas, powering the water cycle that shapes climate and geology. Oceans moderate temperatures, preventing wild swings between day and night or season to season. Life began in water, shielded from harsh radiation, evolving in a rich chemical soup. Water's high heat capacity stabilizes our climate, making Earth more predictable and habitable. Every living thing is tied to water. We carry the ocean within us. Our world's abundance of liquid water is its most life-defining trait. The water cycle constantly renews and reshapes our planet. Water is the secret ingredient that makes Earth unique. Life's story began in the oceans, where simple molecules formed and learned to replicate. For billions of years, life was microscopic, transforming the planet by producing oxygen. The Great Oxygenation Event allowed complex cells to evolve, leading to the explosion of animal diversity. The Cambrian explosion filled the seas with new life, setting the stage for colonization of land. Plants, insects, and animals adapted to new challenges, diversifying into today's ecosystems. Dinosaurs rose and fell, mammals emerged and thrived. Eventually, humans appeared, upright, tool-using, and self-aware. We are the product of 4 billion years of evolution, carrying the legacy of stardust and ancient oceans. The story of life is our story, written in every cell and fossil. Earth faces a constant barrage from the solar wind, charged particles from the sun. Our magnetic field, generated by the molten core, creates a protective bubble, deflecting this cosmic assault. Without it, our atmosphere would be stripped away and life would be impossible. The auroras, northern and southern lights, are visible proof of this invisible shield at work. The magnetosphere has safeguarded our planet for billions of years, allowing life to flourish. It's a silent guardian, as vital as air or water. Earth's magnetic field is the unsung hero of our habitability. For eons, Earth's systems maintained a delicate balance, but humanity, in a geological blink, has become a force capable of altering the planet. Burning fossil fuels thickens our atmospheric blanket, driving climate change and extreme weather. Pollution, plastic waste, and deforestation disrupt ecosystems and threaten biodiversity. We are the first species to understand our cosmic luck, and the first to endanger it. Our actions are rewriting Earth's story for better or worse. The future of this fragile balance is in our hands. The choices we make now will shape the next chapter. We must decide what kind of ancestors we want to be. The question, "Are we alone?" drives modern astronomy. Telescopes like Kepler and James Webb have found thousands of exoplanets, many in habitable zones. Yet location isn't everything. A planet needs the right size, atmosphere, magnetic field, and chemistry. We search for biosignatures, hints of life, in distant atmospheres. But so far, Earth remains unique. The more we learn, the more we realize how rare our planet's combination of features may be. For now, Earth is the only known oasis in the cosmic desert. The search continues, but our home is infinitely precious. Until we find another Earth, this is the only world we have. In 1990, Voyager 1, a tiny emissary launched from Earth, turned its gaze back towards home. From billions of miles away, it photographed Earth as a pale blue dot, a single pixel of light suspended in the inky blackness, a humbling perspective, revealing our planet as a tiny speck in the vastness of space, an almost insignificant point against the backdrop of cosmic immensity. Yet, on that pale blue dot, every human story, every triumph and tragedy, every joy and sorrow unfolds, every connection, every relationship, every moment of love and loss. All of human history, all of our achievements and failures have unfolded on this fragile mote of dust, suspended in the void, a delicate sphere teeming with life. We are the lucky inheritors of a cosmic masterpiece, a planet perfectly suited for life, a rare and precious gift in the vast expanse of the universe, a perfect orbit, carefully balanced, maintaining the ideal distance from our star, a magnetic shield, deflecting harmful solar radiation and protecting our atmosphere, a life-giving atmosphere, a delicate blend of gases that sustains all living things, and abundant water, the lifeblood of our planet flowing through every ecosystem. Yet the challenges we face, climate change, pollution, deforestation, extinction, are not just local issues. They are cosmic problems, threatening the delicate balance of our planetary system. These threats are jeopardizing a 4-billion-year story, a saga of evolution and adaptation. There is no planet B, no readily available escape hatch. Our relentless search for other habitable worlds only highlights Earth's uniqueness, its extraordinary and irreplaceable nature. Our future, the survival of our species, depends on our collective wisdom and responsible stewardship. Look up at the stars, marvel at the cosmos, and contemplate our place within it. But never forget to cherish the ground beneath your feet, the soil that nourishes us. We are all crew members on Spaceship Earth, inextricably linked and responsible for its continued journey through the universe. Our mission, a shared responsibility. To protect this miraculous vessel, this pale blue dot, for ourselves and for all generations to come. This pale blue dot, our only home, is all we have ever known. It is worth protecting with everything we have, with every ounce of our being, for it is our past, our present, and our future.